So I thought I would do an unboxing of this selection box just to show people what they're actually getting, as I couldn't find a specific video of one, and this one's by Brightstar, but I actually got this alongside with another one because it was buy one get one free for £20, and the other one that I actually got was this one. And I will do an unveiling of that as well when I take it out, but this is the one that we're going to actually be doing today. And basically I'm going to open it up and just show you exactly what you are getting for your money. So now that's undone, let's take the box off. So you get a Catherine wheel, quite a nice one actually. I've had this one before and it's quite a nice one, great for families. And then here we also have the golden flower, which is a fountain. And then you get the silver flower, which is also a fountain, and that one's really nice as well. And then you get a 10-shot Roman candle, which basically just shoots out shooting stars. And you also get another one of them, which is also a 10-shot as well. Does exactly the same thing as that one. Pop one in there. And then we have the crackling fountain. Very good, that one. That is my favourite one out of the whole of the box. And then we also have another gold fountain. And then we have the flower pot. And we also get another flower pot. And then you get a green dragon fountain. And another green fountain. So you get two of them and two of them. So very good value for the money there. And you also get a winter fountain and a spring fountain. So all in all, I'd say it's great for families, and especially if you can get buy one get one free. Yeah, no way you can mix and match them, that is great. And I will do an unboxing of that, like I said at the beginning of the video. And this is like ready to come, but I just wanted to basically show people what, you know, was in these boxes. But I would highly recommend, I don't know if people can see that, let me put it down there. Highly recommend this if you've got a family and that, and kids don't like fireworks and they don't like a lot of noise, then this one will be absolutely perfect for kids. I mean, I don't think it tells you on here. Can't think of much anything else to say really, other than probably you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't want to recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13. So it's a 13-piece selection box. Not bad for your money, especially if you could get 2 of them for 20 quid. I will put the link in when I've done all the unboxings of all the other ones, because I have got some other ones to do. But, you know, once I do, I will let you know where I got them from. Because as I know at the moment, times are tough for people looking for fireworks. But this was really cheap, and I think £20 for 2, and you can mix and match them, isn't a bad price. So I'd highly recommend this one, especially for young families.